doing some organization and came across my Boss Racing Cams box, and what I saw is a bit disturbing. I'll share it with you guys. If you guys are out there, you see this, I'm sure it confuses everybody. If you watch some of Track and Ponies stuff, even stuff he talked about, same thing. I don't know if Ford did this intentionally to confuse us. I was told by the tech in Ford Racing that these are not the Cobra Jet cams, and maybe they're not, but they do improve in performance. That's been proven. But anyways, let me show you what I found and see what you guys think. We'll take it from there. All right, guys, this is really disturbing. As you all know, I made 11 more rear wheel horsepower over stock cams, and doing some organizing in my pole barn. I found the box, and this number is correct for a 13 millimeter lift, 290 degrees of duration. Okay, look at this. There's a sticker slapped over this because there are the same number, MB50, and I believe it's BR for Boss Racing, which is the same camshaft that was in the car. Okay, Ford Performance Boss 302 cam set. This is a stock Boss exhaust, so this is a bit confusing. Now, I paid the price for this, which is roughly $850. These are going to be $300. But I'm looking at the number under, which was taped over, and I doubt if I'll be able to get to it. I'm going to try. I really want to know what these are. However, I did run the number, well, this number, but I did check the cam numbers when we installed. They were different, so I should have the right camshaft. But this is disturbing for me. This is disturbing. These stickers, this and that. We're going to try and do surgery on this box, but I doubt we will get to the bottom of this sticker without destroying it. It's like doing brain surgery. Oh, fuck. 150B. M50B. Yeah, what the fuck is it? There's two different camshafts there. Two different camshafts. Well, there you have it. I'll show you what M50B is, which is the Boss 302, which is a standard exhaust cam. Just in case you guys didn't see that, M50B. Same front number, 6550, but the M50B is it short B for exhaust. I don't know why this is on here. It's so confusing. So confusing. I'm going to leave this video confused. is just, it's fucked up. Because nobody knows what's what. I'm still in disbelief. I'm hoping just by the curve of that dyno that this car needs a better intake system. And more RPM to let these cams shine with the twin 65 millimeter throttle body, as opposed to what we got on there in 85. I think that's what's holding this car back. But we'll find out. This is just another mystery. Another mystery. All right, man. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. You guys take care.